Hi guys, today we're looking at some fills that ChatGPT has come up with. So I asked ChatGPT to come up with a few drum fills, specifically linear drum fills, and these are the ones that it churned out. So these fills are all 16th note based fills and they are 2 beats long. The first one is right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. Lefties, you'll have to turn that around. Here's what it sounds like. Now let's put that with the groove to give it some context. I'm going to use an 8th note groove for this. Now let's try that a little bit faster. We can also orchestrate this fill around the drum kit. I'm going to move my right hand around and leave the left hand over the snare drum. Our second fill is kick, right, left, left, kick, right, left, kick. Lefties, you guessed it, you're going to have to turn that one around. Again, let's put that with an 8th note groove, see what it sounds like in context. And now a little bit faster. Again, for the orchestration, I'm going to leave my left hand on the snare and move my right hand around the kick. Our third fill is right, kick, right, left, left, kick, right, left. Here's what that sounds like on the snare drum. And here that is with a groove. And here it is a little bit faster. And now let's orchestrate that around the drum kit. Our fourth fill that ChatGPT churned out is kick, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left. Here that is on its own. And here it is with the groove. And here it is a little bit faster. For the orchestration, I'm going to move both the right and left hands around the kit, starting on the snare and moving around the toms clockwise. So there you go guys, ChatGPT is useful for a great number of things, including, so it would seem, linear drum fills. Have some fun with those guys, take care, see you soon.